Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm going to be sharing with you how to sell your home quickly. This is a great question that I get asked often by potential home sellers looking to sell their home. And so we're going to go ahead and dive into these. I have 7 of these for you. These are easy tips that you can help your house to sell quickly. Okay, so let's dive in. The first one is declutter. Declutter is probably the most important one because you want to just get the clutter out of your home. A home that is being viewed by home buyers, if it has tons of clutter everywhere, too many accessories, too many things hanging on the wall, too many boxes, even though if you're moving, right, you're gonna have boxes, but if you have too much clutter, it's a huge turnoff. And so decluttering is probably the most important tip that I'm going to share with you. Well, maybe the last one is more important, okay? But you have to watch the whole episode to get number 7. Number 2 is neutralize. Neutralize the home. Don't have, unless you can't help it, don't have a crazy paint color in one room and then, the other rooms don't look neutral compared to that room. Have the home neutralized. The easiest way to do this is if you have somebody paint, okay? If you have, let's say, a kid's room that is an off-the-wall color, if you want to sell your home quickly, you'll have a painter or do it yourself, have that done. Paint that room so it's neutral. Think, grays, earth colors, earth tones, I should say, right? White, cream color walls. Think about it. New home builders do this, right? They have a neutral color scheme in their homes, which makes the home feel bigger, and it's neutral. It appeals to more people. And people, potential home buyers don't want to just sit there and, think, okay, we're gonna have to paint this or we're gonna have to hire someone to paint that. That's an added cost. So neutralize the home. Number 3, deep clean. I recommend getting someone to do this and just have them deep clean the home. Have them clean every single area, wipe down baseboards, wipe down walls if you have fingerprints all over the walls, right? With years of usage, kids especially, they leave their fingerprints all over the walls and the corner walls, but deep clean the entire home. You won't be sorry you did that. Number 4, make repairs. Now, I get it, home sellers don't want to do major repairs if they're thinking about selling. But again, we're talking about how to sell your home quickly. And so this is one of the things that, quite honestly, you should be doing. So make some repairs. Probably the most important things, if something's broke in the home, get it fixed. Number 5, curb appeal. Curb appeal is huge. You don't want home buyers coming by, and actually maybe this one should have been the most important one, because if home buyers come by your property to view it, or if they're just driving by thinking about setting up a showing for your home and they see that the curb appeal is lacking, right? Dead landscaping, too much landscaping, too much brush, too many dead branches all over the lawn, the pathway looks horrible, concrete's broke, whatever it is, okay? They're not gonna even go in your home. And I've had this happen when I've shown properties and my buyers looked at it from the outside and went, I don't even want to go inside. That's terrible. Doesn't even give you a shot at the potential buyer coming in. So curb appeal is important. Let's actually say that's the most important one over decluttering, okay? Because if people don't come in, then don't even bother with the inside. Number 6, make the home smell good, all right? Mango is the number 1, scent amongst us humans, right? Mango is the number 1 favored scent. So make your home smell like mango without overboarding though. Don't put, air fresheners in every single room in the house. Put, a couple on the first floor. If you have a second floor, put a couple up there spaced out. Bathroom areas are a great spot for air fresheners for obvious reasons, okay? So just make the home smell good. And number 7, light up the house. I kind of mentioned earlier in this episode that number 7 might be the most important, but as I'm going through these, you know what? Curb appeal, which was number 5, that's the most important, so that buyers actually come into the home and give your home a chance. But number 7, light up the house. Turn on every single light. Make sure, by the way, that every fixture has maximum wattage in it. Meaning, if you have a light fixture, whether it's on the ceiling or it's a lamp or it's recessed, whatever it is, okay, make sure if the light fixture says it can handle a 100-watt bulb, put in a 100-watt bulb. Take advantage of that. And then if you have showings lined up, if you have potential buyers lined up coming into your home, light up the house. Turn every single light on in every single room, including the basement. Just light up the whole property, the whole house. And if it's at night where the home buyers are coming through, then make sure your porch light's on. You make sure that you have lighting all around the home, right? Because I've been with buyers where they have walked the property, even though it's been dark out. I mean, we've had flashlights out, all right? Buyers do this stuff, I'm telling you from experience. So, hey, these are 7 tips on how to sell your home quickly. Did you find this episode valuable? Go ahead, and by the way, thanks for watching it all the way to the end. But go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, wherever you're watching this, follow, and share this episode with your friends and family. Otherwise, I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.